We're a fourth-generation family business that was founded in Oklahoma City in 1948. Our sand business, General Materials, we created in 1975 as well to go with our road construction component. I'm Jay Lemon, president of Haskell Lemon Construction and partner in General Materials Incorporated, a sister company of ours. Our sand business historically has been wash classifiers, sand classifiers, that has been feeding the construction market of materials with concrete sand and washed fill sands and mason type products. These two new plants are bringing on additional pieces, new technology to us, and it's been great fun learning about cyclones and dewatering screens and new to us processes that KPI brought to the table.
So we have a KPI rewash plant that we are feeding already washed sands through. It has a density classifier and a screw and dewatering screen. And we have a second plant that's fed by a dredge that has 4 cyclones and a dewatering screen as well. I'm Jack Lemon, I'm project manager for Haskell Lemon and have had the pleasure of working on this new project. So we are making 2 types of wash products. One is between the 40 and the 200 out of the rewash plant, and another is out of the dredge plant that's closer to 5200. And after we blend the two, it all creates a 100 mesh.
We are trying to grow our business, and we are still making construction-related materials for our current customers, as well as second processing and cleaning to the materials for the energy market.
Our dredge plant is actually hooked to a dredge that's remining a washback area that's been a byproduct of our original wash plant. So since the mid-70s, we've been putting material that's been formerly waste back into the lake, and we're now having the ability to go back out there and dredge it, rewash it, resize it, and put it out the dewatering screen for a sellable product. So that's a really, really fun component to this project. A byproduct that we weren't necessarily expecting until we had to dial in our gradations a little bit more specific than we had planned was a sand that we've affectionately named screw sand because it's coming out the sand screw. So we've stockpiled quite a bit of it as a result of the specific gradation we're chasing, and as of yesterday we've sold our first 5 truckloads to a ready-mix company to make concrete with. So even the byproduct we've found a way to make marketable and are selling it. The most useful feature in my mind is how user-friendly the screens are in the control house and how quickly you can adjust anything you want to in the plant with 3 clicks on a touchscreen. My second favorite would be the classifying tank, just because I think the principle behind it's fascinating and it seems to be working really well for us. And the third would be the people that we've gotten to work with and how helpful they've been on everything from erection to operation to now service.
Our company has had KPI and Astec mobile screen equipment longer than I've been employed here. We've got a long-term relationship with the family of companies through various trade associations and everything, and it's those relationships that give us reliability that your expertise in engineering and new products can bring to the table to help us create products that we can market in our areas as well. You know, honestly, when we had the opportunity to grow into this new market, we didn't call anybody else. We didn't shop y'all's design against anyone else. It's back to that relationship and that trust that you guys could help us get into this with the right equipment and everything, and so far we've been exceedingly pleased.
Any sort of issue or question, KPI is incredibly helpful with a phone call or a FaceTime, and we've had any issue resolved within the same day. Without parts and service, things don't run, and without things running, nothing else happens. So it's arguably the most important.
The parts and supports have been very easy at this point. We work with our dealership Van Keppel companies and have a great relationship there as well. Their trust in us and communication has kept that support at the right level. I do say that relationships are the key to this whole deal. It's trust and relationships, because people can make iron, other people can dredge, they can dig sand out and everything. And it's having faith in somebody that brings new products to you, that helps you set it all up, get it going, and then helps teach you how to operate it. There's a very complicated set of machines right behind us and everything, and they've done a great job simplifying the controls down, as Jack mentioned, that there are only a few inputs to control, but it's amazing how they do respond and give us variations in the product to help our customers' needs and everything. We love opportunities and are constantly seeking out what can we do with the resources we have to serve any new markets. This adventure that we are just embarking on right now and everything, we expect to get very comfortable in our operations very soon, and we'll continue to look for how can we use these tools and the raw materials we have to serve anyone else. It's quite fun to find a new opportunity and then to work with people such as KPI and put it into reality.